takes up my time.
What's up, you guys? I'm super excited for today's video because it's all about that instant cleaning motivation. I'm gonna try and get a few things done in the shortest amount of time, and it is pretty early in the morning. Riley is having her morning snack while watching her show, so this is the perfect time for me to make my bed and get some much needed laundry folded.
You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So I hope everyone had an amazing Mother's Day, especially considering the circumstances that we are in right now. Ours was pretty low-key. We definitely ordered from the Cheesecake Factory. I ended up getting some cheesecake, so I was super excited about that. And then in the afternoon, we went for a nice walk because it was absolutely beautiful out. So that is basically how I spent my day. I hope you guys had a pretty relaxing day and your loved ones made it as special as they possibly could for you.
Watch me breaking. I swear you're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank.
Moving on to this huge pile of laundry. As you can see, I have fallen way behind on folding all of our laundry and putting it back to the point where we probably didn't even have much clothes to wear anymore. Riley was still hanging out, watching her show, so I figured I would plop down on the floor and get this laundry folded.
You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it
So I just started getting into that show, Little Fires Everywhere, and it is so crazy. I feel like it's definitely one of those shows where everybody has different secrets and things like that, but it is definitely so good so far. I'm not going to say anything specific for those of you guys who have not seen it, but if you guys are looking for a new show on Netflix or Hulu, I would definitely recommend it. But let me know what you guys are watching, because at this point, like literally, there is nothing else to do but watch new shows.
You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him. You can put on your dress, dancing to your favorite song. Everybody will sing along, sing along, sing along. So put your hands up, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body.
been loving these storage bins to store my workout clothes, especially my leggings, and then also my shirts as well. I did mention them in my closet organizational video, so I will have that linked down below for you guys. If you are interested, it is the perfect way to maximize any small space. Today, the kitchen wasn't too bad. A few things that needed to be picked up and put away, as well as a few dishes needed to be washed.
Toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about.
As I'm editing this video back, I definitely need to step up my game in regards to wearing gloves when I am washing the dishes, because my nails have literally been chipping like crazy.
My bad temper, what am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about. It's not about us.
Riley's playroom has gotten a bit out of control. She has left her slime and her sand everywhere, so it's definitely time for me to do a quick tidy up in here. She's also really been into puzzles and playing dress up, so I'm going to show you guys a really neat way that you can store puzzle pieces as well as any little girls' play dresses.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another. so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it. And you always like what I like we know each other. But sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it.
I picked up these clear cases from the Container Store, and they're actually for photos, but I mentioned this in my toy organizational video, which I will leave linked up in the cards for you guys. But originally I ended up putting her flashcards in here, but I ended up putting those in a larger container like this, and I figured this is the best way to store puzzles. So each puzzle gets their own little case, and then you can either put the actual picture inside, or you could even take a picture and then tape that on the outside. If you don't feel like going out and buying anything, I'm pretty sure you have some extra white containers laying around the house, and I use those as well to store her puzzle pieces.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level. That's what you say.
Moving on to her play dresses, and a while back in Target, I had actually picked up this pack of 5 bags from the Target Dollar Spot, and I wasn't quite sure how I wanted to use them, and then I just thought, why don't we put all of her play dresses in these bags? It's a much better way to store them rather than trying to stuff all of them in this small, tiny box.
Don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news.
As I'm wiping down her kitchen, I definitely see that there is a little bit of purple sand that is stuck in her like stove grates, maybe if that's what the word is. But for that, I would basically have to unscrew them from the bottom, and that's just something I'm going to have to do another day.
Girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no.
Thank you guys so much for watching. For more cleaning motivation, I always have my playlist linked down below, or you can click on the recommended videos on the screen. I hope you guys got tons of cleaning motivation, even if it was only 15 minutes, and I will catch you guys in a couple days in another video. Bye!